Welcome to our channel. Online banking provides convenient 24/7 access to your accounts from anywhere. Here's how to set up online banking safely and effectively. Step 1. Verify that your bank offers online banking services. Most banks do, but if you're with a small local institution, confirm availability before proceeding. Step 2. Visit your bank's official website by typing the URL directly into your browser. Avoid clicking links from emails or search engines to protect against phishing sites. Step 3. Locate the Sign Up or Enroll button for online banking, typically found prominently on the homepage. This is separate from the Login button for existing users. Step 4. Provide the required information to verify your identity. This typically includes your account number, social security number, date of birth, and answers to security questions. Step 5. Create a strong username and password following your bank's requirements. Use a unique combination that you haven't used for other accounts. Step 6. Set up security questions and answers. Choose questions with answers only you would know, and avoid information that could be found on social media. Step 7. Enroll in two-factor authentication if offered. This adds an extra security layer by requiring a code sent to your phone in addition to your password. Step 8. Tour the online banking interface to familiarize yourself with features like account balances, transaction history, bill pay, and transfers. Set up any alerts you want to receive about account activity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.